Hey everyone, this is Professor Judy. I wanted to take a couple minutes on 4630 aerodynamics and just go over a few things that I'm seeing a lot of mistakes on in the homework assignments because I want everyone to do well. A couple of things. First, watch your units. Make sure that you're stating what the units are in your calculations. This will help you to ensure when you're plugging in information into the equations, it's the right information. So for example, if it's slugs, pounds, feet per second, feet, inches, and remember we're using English units unless I state otherwise in all of our calculations. So be sure to watch your units. On the equations, pay close attention to what the question provides as far as information and data and what the equation needs to ensure you can compute the problem correctly. A good example is when I ask you to compute kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 times the mass times the velocity squared. In the equation you were given, in the problem you were given weight equals 16,000 pounds, but you need mass. I also told you that weight is equal to mass times gravity. If we rearrange doing just a little bit of algebra, mass is going to be equal to the weight divided by gravity. So you'd put in 16,000 pounds, and I told you gravity is 32.2 because we're using English units, which gives you 496.89. When I do calculations, I normally round the 2 decimal places, and then you can round it to the complete at the end. So for example, if 496.89 was your answer for an equation, you could round that to 497 and call it complete. But anyhow, just be sure that you're plugging in the right information for the equation. And a good way to do that is to ensure you're watching all your units. So just a couple of things. If you have any questions when you're doing these, send me an email, reach out to me. I don't want to, if I told you exactly how to do this, and I would have given you the answer. So there is some critical thought that you have to do on your part to ensure you're reading the question and putting in the right information in the equation. But I try to make sure I give you everything you need to solve the problem. So, I'm not trying to trick anyone. Just make sure that you pay attention to what's provided and then what is being asked for. But as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Here to help you and see you succeed. Thank you. Bye-bye.